At Home Restoration Experts, we believe in the power of transformation. Let's take a look at some incredible before and after results from our roof and gutter replacement projects. This is how we found this home, with a roof that had seen better days and gutters that were no longer doing their job. And this is the stunning transformation. With IKO Dynasty shingles and new seamless gutters, the house looks completely revitalized. After our expert team completed the work, the house now has a durable, beautiful roof and efficient gutters that protect it from water damage. This roof and gutter system were beyond repair, causing leaks and potential structural damage. Now, it stands proud with a strong, weather-resistant roof and sleek new gutters, ensuring the home's longevity. We were amazed by the transformation. The new roof and gutters not only look fantastic but have also given us peace of mind. Ready to see your home transformed? Contact Home Restoration Experts today at 877-813-9737 or visit us at 4320 Winfield Road, Warrenville, Illinois, 60555. Let's make your home look its best with a new roof and gutters.